for NatureCat is provided by...
You were born with two stories. One you write every day, and one you inherited that's written in your DNA. 23andMe.com is a genetic service that provides personalized reports about traits, health, and ancestry. Learn more at 23andMe.com.
The Van Ackeren family, founders of Land of Frost, supporting over 12,000 youth sports teams across the country. And by the Hamill Family Foundation, the Siegel Family Foundation, the Arthur Binding Davis Foundations, Polk Brothers Foundation, Alvin H. Found Family Fund, Bobolink Foundation, Sage Foundation, the David E. Sire Family, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by viewers like you. Thank you.